Hi, my name is Cindy and I have been studying early childhood education for 2 years at Montmorency College. In this program, I have all sorts of courses like psychology, intervention, and health and safety. So basically, I learn about the child's development, how to create activities, and how to stimulate the growth of children. As a future educator, I will have to communicate with every child's parents by logbooks to inform them about how the day went on a daily basis. So I have to make sure that my writing is right for them to understand me. And fortunately, I know a website that can help me correct sentences before I write them in the logbooks. It's called Virtual Writing Tutor. And today I will show you how to use it. So first, you can open a Google page, then you go on the searching bar and write Virtual Writing Tutor. You can choose the first link and click on it. As you can see, there is the logo in the top left corner of the screen. In the middle of the screen, you can see the text area, and you have different features below. Today, I will show you 3 of them. So first, you can write a sentence or paste it. For example, this. Then you click on Check Grammar. If you go down, you will see all the feedbacks to correct your sentence. So you can go up and change all your mistakes. And if you click again on Check Grammar, you can make sure that there is no error left. If you don't know how to pronounce a word in the sentence, you just need to click on the bottom text-to-speech on the right-hand side of the screen, and you will hear the entire sentence.
Today, Maya dressed up like a pirate with Amir and Lisa. She ate her lunch and slept for 2.5 hours.
Finally, you can verify the meaning of the words by using the dictionary. For example, if I want to make sure that dressed up mean what I want, I click on Dictionary. So I write dress up and I click on Look It Up. So I write dress up and I click on Look It Up. You can see the definition. So this is how to use Virtual Writing Tutor. Thank you for listening. Bye.